Transform your bathroom into a sleek oasis with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. This stunning 1600 by 700 mm masterpiece perfectly blends style and functionality. Imagine stepping into a spacious, airy shower that feels like a luxurious spa retreat in your home. The gorgeous chrome finish adds a touch of elegance, while the frameless side panel and sliding door create a modern, clean appearance that'll make your bathroom the envy of all your guests. The 6mm toughened safety glass ensures peace of mind while you enjoy your shower. This versatile beauty can be installed either way, making any bathroom layout a dream come true. It's an excellent space-saving solution as the sliding door design eliminates the need for extra swing space. Don't just upgrade your shower, revolutionize your entire bathroom experience with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. It's time to make a splash and turn your daily shower into a luxurious retreat. Buy yours today and get ready to shower in style. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.